party. Now, if you were to come to the conclusion that they are
This is my
independent.
question here.
Yes.
So now are they a parliamentary party? Because they have won some by-election, they have presence. Are they a parliamentary party?
So now, with respect to this question, when after that such election, there is another election which has taken place, and they have become a member.
Simply बताएं yes ना आप कहेंगे नहीं, because it follows with another question. So this is not my
इसका response
yes. So
no इसका response तो सुनने में तो yes कहा
अच्छा इसका response क्या है?
इसका response ये है कि if you were to hold that as of today they are independents, then yes, they can join the now constituted parliamentary party. But
I'm not asking about independence. Let's just say they win some by-election, they become a parliamentary party. So my question is that then isn't there a conflict in the way the Election Commission is looking at how to read what is a political party for the purposes of contesting elections? So if it's not about the reserve seats, it's just about the right to contest in an election and the right to put out candidates. So they may not participate, or they may subsequently become a parliamentary party, but for the purposes of the ECP's order, they are not a political party. Because your entire argument is that from a political party will flow the parliamentary party. So at some point they do become a parliamentary party, and for that they have to be a political party, otherwise they can't become one, as per your own argument. So how do we reconcile that and harmonize that with the argument made?
Yes. They can work in tandem, 51(6) and 63A, in harmony, if your lordships and your ladyship were to come to the conclusion that under proviso to paragraph D, independent returned candidates can only duly join such political party who has won one seat in the house, in a house, and consequently
अभी तो reserve seat पे तो पहुंचते हैं ना जी. अभी तो we're just looking at whether they are a political party or not.
So
your contention is they are not.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि for the purposes of 51(6),
they are not a political party.
They are not a political
party. But for all other purposes they are, and now they are a parliamentary party.
No, they are not a parliamentary party.
Let me आपका मैं जो समझा हूँ, आप ये कह रहे हैं कि Sunni Ittehad Council was not a political party for the purposes of 51(6). However, with their winning the election, by-election, they have become a parliamentary party under Article 63(2).
So they can now, after winning those 1 or 2 seats or 3 seats or 5 seats, they will now constitute a parliamentary party.
And only if they won the seats.
अगर by-election में उनके ticket पे आ गए कोई, but in order for the independents to join such parliamentary party,
that will take effect now.
So they are independents as of today.
Magar, the question is that if they are not a political party, and the orders of the ECP doesn't say they're not a political party for the purposes of 51. It says simply that they are not a political party. So if they're not a political party, how do they become a parliamentary party?
They don't become a parliamentary party. If you look at 51(6) and you were to say that...
Not looking at 51(6), forget the reserve seats. Just to understand how this process works, because you said...
Yes, they become a parliamentary party. A political party does become a parliamentary party where its candidate or nominee actually wins a seat and goes into the assembly.
So it starts off at the election, on the election date, as being not a political party, and then subsequently down the line somewhere it attains the status of a political party and becomes a parliamentary party.
No, two things.
Two to nahi hote hain.
Mr. Attorney General, the answer is one. With the 3 days, you're overlooking the 3 days aspect.
Sir,
वो तो 3 दिन में आपको ज्वाइन करना था, जो एग्जिस्टिंग चीजें, जो सब्सिक्वेंट चीजों को तो आप उस 3 दिन में नहीं ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. जो चीज अभी हुई नहीं उसको आप कैसे ज्वाइन कर सकते हो?
I'll just
there is one other.
Can you conclude now?
जी बस मैं अब conclusion की तरफ.
One possible interpretation to this could also be, I'm just placing it on on the table, because 63A2 could be one set and 51D could be yet another way of becoming a parliamentary party, irrespective of the reserved seat. So the minute the independents join a political party off the shelf, forget the reserve seat angle, they become a parliamentary party because the winnings have been brought into a political party off the shelf. That could be yet a third way of becoming a parliamentary party, but has nothing to do with 51D because उसके लिए तो बाकी requirements भी चाहिए.
ये जो political
With respect, my
Or
lord,
the other is that you read it together.
ये जो पार्लियामानी पार्टी है ये 63A के लिए है. ये जो पार्लियामानी पार्टी सिर्फ उसी के लिए
है, उसी के लिए ही है. वही प्रोविजन है जो डील करती है पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी. मैं तो सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूँ कि
आपको आगे बढ़ना.
बस आगे चलता हूँ. बस एक कंक्लूजन यहाँ पे एक फाइनल सेंटेंस कह के एंड रीटरेट है.